Welcome back to the channel. My name is Brad and this is my 2020 Jeep JL named Shadow Trooper. Ever since COVID, my Jeep hasn't been driven as much and I started having to keep my Jeep on a tender at home just to keep the battery fully charged when I'm ready to go with it. Having it plugged into a tender while it does keep the battery nice and topped off, it's kind of a pain in the butt and I always forget to plug it in. Cascaded Fiber has a really cool option that involves putting a solar panel on your hood as well as a charge controller underneath the hood, and your battery never dies. As long as you have sunlight, you're always topping off your battery no matter what happens. Whether you're parked in the driveway or out camping, as long as there's sunlight, your battery is not going to go dead. Let me show you the pieces that make up the system. For starters, I have a 75-watt solar panel that is held to the hood with VHB. They send you everything you need, including the adhesion promoter. I've had this on now for about 6 months and it is staying on very sturdy and I never had any problems or issues with it at all. Now under the hood, you can see here is the MPPT charge controller. You have your two leads that go up to the solar panel, and then you have two leads that hook up to your battery on the positive negative terminal. The connection going to the battery is fused, so you don't have to worry about adding anything to it. Everything you need is in there. It has a temperature sensor, so if it gets too cold or too hot, it stops charging the battery. As well as also has an output on there for accessories, and if your battery drops below preset voltage, it shuts off the auxiliary power. So that's a great thing if you have a fridge or something plugged into it. You can plug your fridge into here, and when your battery dips too low, it'll kill the battery and allow the battery to continue charging, so you can always make sure you can start your vehicle. It's a very easy install. I just put it there. They also say you can mount it on top of the battery. I find it over here is a little bit easier. And it has some cool lights on it that tell you exactly what's going on. Yellow light means it's connected. The flashlight means it's actively charging my battery. All in all, super easy installation. Took me less than an hour to get it installed. The hardest part was getting everything on the hood. Everything else is quite simple. And now, as long as I have sunny days, my battery is always fully topped off and charged. Never have to worry about it anymore. I'll leave a link to it down below. I'm not affiliated with them anyway. I did pay for also down money, but I find this a cool product. I thought I'd share it with everyone else on the channel. So if you find this kind of stuff interesting, please make sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching.